Alright, so we're going to start off with doing some diagnosis work here on this Ford Explorer. First off, we're going to sit here in the driver's seat and as you can see, that takes a lot of effort to move. Sometimes. Now, sometimes it's quite easy. We do have some odd steering angle numbers here, as we can see, 5773 or 49,000 degrees of steering. And it says the steering wheel is aimed to the left, but it's basically straight. And if we put very light effort on it, well, it's going to make me a liar. But sometimes it seems to work. Now, we're going to move on out here. So if we shine the light up in there, we can see a little bit of staining on the steering rack boot. We have a little pre-play in this side, the front end. This side here. Definitely got a ball joint or a bearing problem, depending on what we're looking at there. So, but it looks as though our steering rack has completely and totally failed, which I have never seen one fail quite that bad, to where it's absolutely froze up. But we also have some brake rotor needs going on. We need some tires. Initially, I thought maybe we were going to have just a battery problem on this car. We also have some needs for some tires. But back to the steering again. And a little bit of effort and it tries to turn. Now, we're going to come back here. Once again, we're going to back out of this. This is our fault codes that we're getting in a second here, maybe. So, steering angle sensor, I mean, obviously, because it's showing 49,000 degrees, and a control module failure. So, that's no big shock. Clearly, the steering rack is completely shot. We did have some other module faults in other various modules here, but we're going to go ahead and do another fault scan. We've already tested the battery tested out good. Our body control module says the camera module, we have faults with the battery voltage, but the battery tests out good. I think this was because it had a bad battery cable in from previous. So nothing really crazy going on as far as this goes, but we definitely have a power steering rack failure, and maybe even a bad steering angle sensor. But I don't know, the steering rack's so far dead that there's nothing else I can do with it. But anyway, thanks for watching this. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, comment, share, all those things. Help me get that algorithm on my side.